So this has been spinning like this, right? Screwed onto a piece of MDF, faceplate on. 2 outside pieces screwed to that to hold it for moving, and these 2 pieces are rebaited to hold all these together. I sent one of these to the Nationals one year too. It was metallic copper. I got something for it. I think I forget what it was. It was like a prize. That's the pattern. Yeah, just freehand drawn out, not really fussed about anything.
All turned.
So that's turned. You do it in pieces like this, otherwise you lose your saw cut if you're going to saw it up later. So makes a Christmas present for those that want to give something to their wives. How does it do that? Goes like this. Take that out. How about that? Actually, there's different ways of putting it together too. Because I think, I don't want to pull it apart now and try. If you get a Stephen Hogman's book, he's got quite a nice way of going like this. That runs out. But there's other ways, there's quite a few ways that you can put that together. Or else you can put all the short ones up this end. Should we give it a try? See what we get, eh? I think. Or I'll get lost. Shane might know. Something else, it's not still, I gave my sister one for her birthday once and I had it, it's different again than that. Because it ended up being this shape all the way down and quite a lot longer. But we can put this back together if you want and just spin out the other side of the pattern. While I'm asking. We're going to have to get this right, aren't we? What I want to do is put that on this. No one's offering to get me out of trouble. Oh man. Is that right? Yeah. Safe? Rebaited ply. This won't be going fast. Maybe mark the hollows.
Mark the high points.
Mark the high points?
Yeah.
Boring? I think we just leave it at that, eh?
Yeah,
'Cause-
partner.
Yeah. Yeah, that's, you got the idea anyway. That's reasonably simple, isn't it?
Flat forward when you look at it.
Yeah, they'll move that again
You'll
completely.
see. You'll see.
I did one years ago for a mirror in behind it.
Yeah.
This is it. This is the.
Facing behind.
Yeah.
You wouldn't have that if it was not done.
But this is also going to end up how is one in the book is. I might be. I'm not sure I'm doing this right, but. So if you imagine the other ones that we've just cut were painted as well, you've got this effect, this parabola effect happening. And then you've got the background, that's the negative space in behind. Hang that, get the right backing to that. Get all this bit that isn't painted blue, and the rest of it wood. And yeah, that looks pretty, to me it looks pretty good. You can put a border down the side.